are Jera, a factory that produces cable infrastructure products. You are watching the video tutorial of installation indoor fiber optic distribution socket ODP-02. Fiber faceplate key features. Equipped with additional holders which are suitable for most common indoor cables. Convenient application, one-piece design. Following installation is with round-type fiber patchcord of 2 to 3 mm diameter. Next installation is with flat-type drop cable patchcord. Has very compact size, can accommodate 2 SC port fiber adapters. A special designated area for a heat shrink storage. Welcome to contact us to have more details about this fiber socket and related products.